how to make people feel heard that we're communicating with. I think we can agree on one thing, the human condition. The thing that we all want is to be felt, heard, and understood. I got 2 tips for you on how to do that. Presence beats problem solving. A lot of times we go into communication, conversations, we're going to solve the problem. Why not first be present? That location bubble is right above your head. You are here. Your phone is down away from you. You're not staring at screens. You're not thinking about that meeting you got coming up in 20 minutes. You're fully present with them. When you're doing that, you're able to fully listen. Listening is a huge demonstration of respect. Number 2, reflect back what you heard them say. If you're listening to someone, you can pass the pop quiz of I got what you're saying. Jim, what you've told me is this, this, and this. Is that correct? Yes, you got it. Sue, I've listened to you, and what I heard you say is this. Do I have that right? Get confirmation of that. Pass the pop quiz that I was listening to you. We can do that because of, number 1, we're fully present. Next time you're in a conversation, make sure your communication partner is heard.